Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to delete application on Samsung A35 5G device. Well, deleting unused apps help keep your device organized, making it easier to find and access the apps you use regularly. Not only that, deleting apps also allows you to customize your device to your preferences, keeping only the applications that are relevant and useful to you. So, let's go to the tutorial. Okay, firstly enter to the settings on your device. Well, and on this page, you can scroll down until you find Apps menu. Tap on the option. Well, and here you will find all of the application installed on your device. So select the one you want to delete. And click on install option here. Click OK to continue deletion. Okay, that's the tutorial on how to delete application on Samsung A35 5G device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.